an example where we are all mixed. We've got fractions, we've got decimals, we've got percents. So I want you to jot this down in your notes and make this number line and put these on your number line, and whenever you come back, you can check your work. So this got all squinched up. But it's basically 22%, and then 3/8, which is 375 thousandths, and then 45%, then 465 thousandths, then 59 hundredths, then 625 thousandths, which is 5/8, so that's right about there, and then 150%, which is halfway between 1 and 2, 1 2/3, which is 166 2/3%, which is going to be a little bit bigger, closer to 2. And then you have 210%, which would be here, 215%, which would be here, and then 2 1/4, which would be 225% right here. Okay, so in your journal or in your notes, I want you to say what the best method is for placing fractions and decimal values in order. Does it work for you to draw models, do number lines, compare denominators, do conversions? So think about that and put that down. So now we're going to look at some word problems. Paloma can run the 100-meter dash in 16 1/5 seconds. Savannah's best time is 16 1500 seconds. Who ran faster? How do you know? Well, I've got a fraction, a mixed number here, and a decimal here. I want to look at them both as decimals. So I'm going to write 16 1/5 compared to 16.15, or 1500ths. So this I'm going to take 210, and so 16 2/10, well, I say that, and then as a decimal, it would be 16 2/10. And now I'm looking at it, and I can put a 0 here, so I'm looking at the same place value. And 15 is less than 20, so this is bigger. But I have to look back. This is Paloma, and this is Savannah. Okay, and Paloma has a bigger time. But in a race, is a bigger time better? Does it make you win? You have to say to yourself, no, the faster the time, the lower the number. Like 3 seconds comes before 4 seconds. So Savannah is actually a little bit faster than Paloma. And that's why her number is lower, so she is therefore faster. And that answers who's faster and how do I know. So 65, this is one of those ordering, because we've got more than one. 65%, or more than two. 65% of Americans are extremely proud to be an American. So we've got 65% extremely proud. And 5/20ths are very proud. And 3/10ths are not proud. Put these in order of greatest to least. So I've got a percent, a fraction, a decimal, and I want to put them in order. So I'm going to get them all to percents. And to do that, I need to get them over 100. So 65% is already a percent, so I'm good there. 5/20ths, I'm going to change colors. 5/20ths goes to 100 by 5 by 5, 25, 2500ths, so 25%. And then 3/10ths goes to 100 by 10 by 10. So 30 out of 100 is 30%. So which is the order? It says greatest to least. So this is greatest, so extremely proud is greatest, and not proud is second, and very proud is third. So that's the order. I've just placed them in order, greatest to least. So Sean says that 1/9 is greater than 1/8 because 9 is greater than 8. Is he correct? Explain your thinking. So pause the video and think about that and put down your thoughts on if Sean's correct, why or why not. So here are some comparing fractions and decimals and percents. So remember, your strategy is going to be to get them both to either a decimal or a percent, and then to compare them. And you're going to put greater than, less than, or equal. Do this in your notes. Here we have fractions, decimals, and percents and a number line from 0 to 1 to 2. And you're going to put these in your notes on the number line. And go ahead and put them in order, put them in the original form, but you may have to convert them and think about it as you compare them on the number line. And this is something that we're going to do in class and you're going to get more practice on. And this last thing is a word problem, and it is also ordering fraction, decimals, and percents. It says, in a survey about household odors, 7/20 of people said pet odors were the smelliest, 10% voted for cooking odors, and 4/10 chose tobacco smoke. List these from least to greatest. So go ahead and pause the tape, put these numbers down in least to greatest, and be prepared to talk about this in class tomorrow.